Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data visualization with Tableau, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading Tableau from the official Tableau website. Install Tableau on your computer by following the installation prompts. Once installed, open Tableau and select the option to create a new workbook. Familiarize yourself with the Tableau interface, which consists of the main menu, data pane, and workspace. To begin data visualization, connect to your data source by clicking on the Connect pane. Choose the appropriate connection type based on your data source, such as Excel, text file, or a database. Locate your data file and click Open to load it into Tableau. After the data is loaded, review the data preview to ensure it appears correctly. Drag and drop the relevant fields from the data pane into the workspace to start building your visualization. Select the type of visualization you want to create from the Show Me panel. Experiment with different chart types, such as bar charts, line charts, or scatter plots. Adjust your visualization by dragging additional fields onto the rows or columns shelves. Use filters to refine your data by dragging the desired field into the filters shelf. Add labels or tooltips by dragging fields into the marks card as needed for clarity. Customize your visualization's aesthetics, including colors and fonts, to improve visual appeal. Once satisfied, save your workbook to keep your progress by clicking File and then Save As. Consider publishing your dashboard to Tableau Public if you want to share your work online. Explore Tableau's built-in tutorials and resources for further learning and advanced techniques. Practice regularly with different datasets to enhance your data visualization skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.